In this video we're going to look at some baby pine cones at a close range, and this is done using a very cheap camcorder, just to show you how the quality can be improved. Now if you haven't watched, go watch my video called using magnifying glass to get closer views. That should help you. Okay, that is a beautiful pine cone. Let's go to the other section somewhere here. This one here. Isn't that pretty? Let's go somewhere. Let's just watch one that's not small. Here we go. Isn't that pretty? Now you can zoom. Okay, I think that should do it, guys. Thank you.